Hello and welcome to the AQRR Compliance Reporting Login and Account Setup tutorial. From the homepage, you'll select the AQRR Compliance Reporting button. AQRR utilizes EPA's Shared Chrome Air Services, or SCS, to create and securely issue signing credentials to authorized users. Many EPA websites that allow for electronic submission of data or reports utilize an EPA SCS login. An example of a widely used application that uses an EPA SCS login is the Central Data Exchange, CDX. You can log into AQRR using your existing CDX username and password. For those who do not have an existing EPA SCS account, such as CDX, you'll click on the Create Account button. Complete all required fields pertaining to username, password, contact information, and security questions. And then at the bottom of the page, you'll select Create Account. Responsible officials will need to provide the answers to these security questions as part of the identity verification process when submitting compliance reports. The EPA SCS account has now been created, and you'll be taken to the AQRR dashboard. AQRR will send an email with the subject line Iowa DNR AQRR user verification that contains a link to complete the registration process. This process will need to be completed in order to access the Manage Account functions, such as changing your password or updating security questions in AQRR. AQRR will allow users access to the same facilities that they have access to in Slice. AQRR verifies your account username, which is your email address, with Slice to determine what facility or facilities a user has access to and what actions are authorized. Individuals assigned as a submitter or a responsible official in Slice are authorized to upload and submit compliance reports. All other active users in Slice are allowed to upload compliance reports but cannot submit the reports. If you need to create or update Slice authorizations, please visit the e-Air Services page of the Iowa DNR website. If you need additional information, please see the AQRR External User Guide or email the AQRR Help Desk at aqrr@dnr.iowa.gov.